Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna unbox Menorah's A5 180 GSM sketchbook and I'm going to give you my first impression about these sketchbooks. So let's get started. The packaging is really good. So when I decided to find a sketchbook other than Anupam, there were lots and lots of options actually. Most of them suggested me to go for Presto, but I wanted something which is made in India and especially something which is handmade. So I came across this brand called Menorah, and I'm really glad that I came across them because their customer service is really good. So first of all, when I decided to order Menorah sketchbook, it was not available in Amazon. So I directly contacted them through their Instagram handle, and they were so good enough to reply me within half an hour. And I placed my order on the same day, and I received the sketchbook 2 days later. And I received this sketchbook for the same price as in Amazon, that is $399. Its actual price is $449. So as you can see, the packaging is really good, and they have sketchbook in various sizes starting from A7 to A3, and they have both portrait and landscape sketchbooks. I ordered the landscape one in size of A5. So all their sketchbooks are 180 GSM and they have 50 sheets, which means it has 100 pages. It is given that we can use the sketchbook for dry and mild wet mediums, but I have seen many of them using it for acrylics, gouache, and watercolors too. And the sketchbook can be laid flat. It has an elastic enclosure and a silk bookmarking. Their packaging is really impressive. Wow, just look at this. It has a hard cover, and they have given a plain black cover so that we can design it as per our needs. And the paper is really thick. It has 50 sheets, as I said earlier, and the papers are really good. Oh my god, I didn't expect it to be this thick. I usually use 300 GSM papers for my drawings, but then this one is really good. And as I said, it has a silk ribbon as a bookmark. Actually, I just can't wait to use the sketchbook, guys. And one of the main reasons why I bought Menorah sketchbook is that they are completely handmade and they are an Indian brand from Tamil Nadu. Anyone who knows me will know how much I like to buy handmade stuffs. And so far, I'm really impressed with the quality of the notebook, and I'll be posting a review soon. And if you know any Indian brands which provides quality products just like Menorah, please put it in the comment section. I would love to try them. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.